In my previous video, I have explained the artificial neuron by comparing it with a human neuron. In this video, I will explain the neural network used in artificial intelligence and compare it with the human brain's neural network. Even if you are a complete beginner, you will understand this concept clearly. Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face, or how YouTube knows exactly what video you want to watch next? The answer is neural networks. What is a neural network? Technically, a neural network in artificial intelligence is a computational model made of multiple interconnected artificial neurons arranged in layers. It learns patterns from data and maps input to outputs by adjusting weights, bias, and internal connections during training. Now, let me explain this in a simple way. It is a concept of AI inspired by how the human brain works. Just like our brain has billions of connected neurons, an AI neural network has many connected artificial neurons. These neurons work together to learn patterns, solve problems, and make decisions. Structure of a neural network. A neural network has three main parts. Number one, input layer. This takes raw data such as numbers, images, text, audio, etc. Number two, hidden layers. This is where the real learning happens. Patterns are detected, features are extracted, and calculations are performed. Number three, output layer. This gives the final result, such as yes or no, cat or dog, spam or not spam, price prediction, etc. If a network has many hidden layers, it is called deep learning. How does it work? Let's understand step by step. Step 1. Input data enters the network. Step 2. Each connection has a weight which shows importance. Step 3. A bias is added for fine tuning. Step 4. An activation function decides whether a neuron should fire or not. Step 5. The data moves forward layer by layer. Step 6. The final output is produced. How does learning happen? Here is the most important part. If the output is wrong, the network compares it with the correct answer. Then it adjusts the weights using a process called backpropagation. This is how the network learns and improves over time. Important terms you should know. Weights. Weights decide the importance of each input. For example, let's say an equation y equals to ax plus b. Here, x equals to input, a equals to weight, b equals to bias, and y equals to output. So what is bias? It helps shift the result for better accuracy. Activation function. This is the decision maker of the neuron. Loss function measures how wrong the prediction is. Backpropagation, the learning process used to improve performance. You do not need to memorize everything now. Just understand the idea. Real life examples of neural networks. Neural networks are everywhere. For example, face unlock in your phone, voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, recommendations on YouTube, self-driving cars, medical diagnosis, shopping recommendations, etc. Basically, whenever machines act smart, there is a high chance a neural network is behind it. Simple analogy. Think of a neural network like a student, where input equals to questions, processing equals to thinking, output equals to answers. With more practice, the student improves. The same happens with neural networks. If you understood even 50% of this video, you are already ahead of many beginners in AI. In my next video, I will explain the different types of neural networks. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.